Does it also annoy you how much time you spend on your smartphone, all the notifications, the countless apps? Are you also tired of big tech and security agencies watching you, what you do, where you go, who you talk to? Then we have good news for you. The new Volla Phone 22 for your freedom through simplicity and security. The time is ready for a milestone. The next hardware generation in design, performance and sustainability. Consistent evolution of the software, smarter, simpler, safer.
A smartphone that gives us back our freedom is more important than ever. A smartphone that lets us decide with whom we share what information and gives us a clear head for what's important to us. We launched 2 years ago. Since then, thousands of Volla phones have gone live in over 55 countries, from Canada to Australia, from Jamaica to Malaysia. In the process, we created a global community of users and developers who contribute their ideas. We have used the experience and ideas to consistently develop the Volla Phone and Volla OS.
The Volla OS operating system is based on the open source Android. It's free from Google and Apple, as well as any other cloud. You decide for yourself. An optional Hide Me virtual private network also protects your internet connections from surveillance. But that's not all. The Volla OS now sets new standards with its security mode. Activated, it blocks the execution of selected apps and allows only user-approved addresses as a guardian of internet traffic. The Volla Phone thus becomes your fortress. Parents can give their kids a Volla Phone without worrying about kids seeing inappropriate websites or neglecting school and friends through apps.
The Volla OS combines minimalist design with smart technology for a completely new user experience. Instead of countless apps, the springboard lets you do all the important everyday tasks quickly and effortlessly.
Just start writing something in the springboard's text field and the Volla system recognizes your intention and suggests suitable additions and functions. The new Volla OS can now send encrypted signal messages directly and recognizes an appointment you want to remember. A quick menu lets you access not only important functions but also smart compilations of recent contacts, conversations and messages. The new Volla OS now shows SMS, MMS and also signal messages with a single overview for your contacts and the conversations. Notes are also now integrated right into Springboard collections and can be accessed and managed without going through an app. It's the attention to detail that makes the Volla OS perfect. The Smart App Overview hides apps that are not frequently used, completing the user experience of ease and clarity. Freedom also means freedom of choice. That's why the Volla Phone 22 is again available with the mobile Linux alternative Ubuntu Touch. Even more, the Volla Phone 22 comes with a feature that has never been seen on a smartphone before: the multi-boot function. Install Ubuntu Touch simply as a second operating system on the system settings of Volla OS as easily as an app. Try a new world of distinguished private and business use for highest security requirements. The new flagship model comes with impressive performance features. A Helio G85 8-core processor with optimized performance by MediaTek Hyper-Engine technology, 48-megapixel main camera, plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide and macro camera, 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This time there's the elegant powerhouse with self-replaceable battery. And you can use 2 SIM cards and a microSD memory card at the same time. Choose your freedom and get the new Volla Phone 22.